Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries on your 2 gig or your Vivint DW10 window and door contact sensors. To remove the sensor, you push right here, and you may need to, on the other side of this is a small little clip that you can push up as well if it doesn't come, but usually you can just push up and it's off. Thought I would just quickly show again how this fits in. So at the top there's 2 little tabs. At the bottom there's a tab with a clip, and to put it in you want to first, there's little spots where the tabs go, so you clip the top in first, put that in, and then push down and it'll clip right in. And same thing with taking off, just push down and pull up. So to change the batteries, you need to get some CR2032s. I've also seen it as just 2032, like with these energizers, which I'm going to use. They're just 2032s, and or you could get CR2032, same thing. To pop these out, get a small little screwdriver, and you just stick it in between the battery and the clip, and it just pops right out like that. Then you want to get some new batteries, and you want to be, so on these energizers they have little stickers on the back, so you just pull the stickers off and then just reinsert the batteries like such. Pull off the sticker, and these are ready to go. Doesn't fall out. So to install the sensor, you're going to want to put the top in first. There's 2 little clips that it clips into, and then push the bottom into place. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.